want to briefly talk about a little trick for measuring slots um, that I haven't heard anyone talk about. Any decent quality telescoping bore gauge has flat parallel faces on the sides of the gauge head, um, and we can use those faces to constrain this axis so that we're only getting the rotational axis, which we use to measure. So if I pin the gauge in place so that the bottom face is flat against the bottom of the slot, and then I tighten up the bore gauge like I would normally, and I rotate it through like I would a bore, I can lift it out, and this should be, because I've been very careful, exactly 9 millimeters or 8.99. We'll see. Boom. If I rotate this through, see, the widest part is 9 millimeters. Obviously you can try and use the back of your calipers to do this, but if you do that, you're not constrained in any direction. So trusting your measurement is hard. Or you'll have to get in there with gauge pin stacks and then measure those or whatever. But this is a fast and easy way, very repeatable. I'll do it again really quick. This is what it looks like without the finger, right? Just rotating through. So unlocked, lock it, rotate it through, remove it, and we'll measure it again at the widest point. 9 mils, 901. Pretty good, eh?